Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a video on homemade Play-Doh without cream of tartar. I do want to mention a couple things before I start the video. So the first thing I want to mention is I want to say thank you to all the people who are subscribed and who watch my videos when I post them. The second thing is if you are new to my channel and this is your first video, you can hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Now the third thing I want to talk about is the reason why I make homemade Play-Doh for my children. I make homemade Play-Doh for my children because Play-Doh originated in the 1930s. Now, in the 1930s, Play-Doh was actually made to be a wallpaper cleaner. So in the 1930s, they had coal-burning furnaces and stoves, and it would leave a residue on the walls. So they created Play-Doh to clean the walls of this coal residue. Okay. Now in the 1950s, they rebranded the Play-Doh to make it a children's toy, but it's still the same recipe. So essentially your children are playing with wall cleaner when they use store-bought Play-Doh, which is why I make my own. Now the Play-Doh we make has no cream of tartar. It takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes depending on if you let your kids help or not. It takes about 5-10 minutes to make, and it's made with all natural ingredients, so if your child was to say maybe eat some on accident, it would not harm them. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we made it, and I like to let my kids help make it as far as putting the ingredients in. I have to do the cooking part, obviously, but my children do like to help. Alright, let's get it. So you start with 1 cup of water and you put it in the pan. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then you will add 1 tablespoon of oil. I used olive oil. Then we have 1 cup of flour in the bowl, and you add 1/4 cup salt. You mix it well, and you turn the heat on the stove to medium heat and heat the water up. Then you are going to choose what color you want your Play-Doh to be, and you will put that color food coloring in. Now you let the water heat up until it is hot, but not boiling. When it is hot, you will slowly add in the flour salt mixture and give it a stir to mix it up. You will continuously stir until it is combined into a ball-like form. Be careful not to overcook your Play-Doh. Now, if it seems a little bit sticky, you need to cook it a little longer. If it seems too dry, as sometimes it might, you just add a tiny bit more water until it becomes a good consistency and you are able to mix in all of your ingredients together. As you can see, it is starting to form a more solid substance now. And you will continue to knead and mix it until you can no longer see flour. Now the Play-Doh is just about done here, and I'm going to show you a close-up of the Play-Doh mixture. This is what it should look like when it is just about to be taken out of the pot. So now you are going to turn the heat off and take it out of the pot. Now you might want to knead it after it cools off. Let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then knead the dough to mix fully. So I hope you guys liked the video. That's all I have for you today. I will leave the full recipe in case you didn't catch it. I'll leave it down in the description. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button and then hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the comments section down below. I hope you guys learned some information about Play-Doh. And if you try the Play-Doh recipe, you can also leave it in the comments how it worked for you guys. Thanks. Bye.